step forward. I request all the parents and students.
Salute the flag. Start national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
The Constitution of India. We, the people of India, to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic to all its citizens. Justice, social, economic and political, belief, faith and worship, equality of status, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. Of November
On this 26th day of November
1949,
1949,
do hereby
adopt,
enact,
enact,
and give to ourselves
and give to ourselves
this Constitution.
this Constitution.
Of success by celebrating the 72nd Republic Day. Let me invite our teachers for prayer dance.
मिलके बनी सागर ओ बनी सागर ओ बनी सागर। दूर पास तेरी दया मिलती निरंतर भरत रहे अपने मन की गागर ओ मन की गागर ओ मन की गागर। स्वागत करते हम स्वागत करते हम दिल से सबका स्वागत हम करते हैं। स्वागत करते हम दिल से सबका स्वागत हम करते हैं। देव पधारे अतिथि रूप में महक उठी खुशबू फिजाओं में। मिलके करें सबका दिल से
A peaceful morning to one and all. I feel immensely proud to stand here and welcome our eminent guest on behalf of Piyani Tipli School. Today is a very proud day for all of us as we are celebrating 72nd Republic Day. We celebrate this day every year with great enthusiasm to show our happiness as we got our constitution and we became republic. Let me take the honor to welcome our today's chief guest, Right Reverend Bishop Dr. In a very simple language, he is God's true creation as he does everything for what God has sent on this earth. Thank you, teacher. Thank you, teacher. Nurses, the healthcare worker but also the human being behind the PPE kit. We are pleased to welcome Ms. Santoshi Khandara. He's a person with great knowledge and vision. Under his inspiration, we are going towards a magnificent track. It's my privilege to welcome him here. I request Pratik sir to welcome Father Ji by greeting him with a sapling. With guidance, we all are enthusiastic to work for the betterment of our school. Thank you, teacher. Guided all of us and helped us to improve ourselves and our school. It's our pleasure to have him amidst of us. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Happy Republic Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
rising. So, we are all filled with patriotic fervor. Let's continue in the same patriotic fervor and listen more about this day. Let me call Arshia teacher to come and express her views.
Our honorable esteemed chief guest, His Excellency Reverend Bishop Mar Ephraim Nerikulam, our manager Reverend Father Matthew Nirupal, Principal Reverend Father Dinesh Mate, and Vice Principal Reverend Sister Litty Maria, and distinguished guests. A very warm good morning to one and all. I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. India celebrates Republic Day on 26th of January since 1950. Because on this day, India was declared as a democratic republic and our constitution also came into the force. Republic means the supreme power of the people living in a country, and only the public has the right to elect their representatives as political leaders. So India became republic on 26th of January 1950. Our great Indian freedom fighters have struggled a lot, and we can never forget their sacrifices. They did so that their future generations may live without any struggle and lead the country ahead. We should remember them on such great occasions and salute them. Our country is a very democratic and just nation, where every citizen is allowed to select their leader who deserves to lead the nation. There have been many improvements till now, but few deteriorations have also came along with it, such as poverty, corruption, unemployment, lack of literates, the present scenario of our country, and so on. It is said that corruption is an enemy of development and good governance. Instead of getting lost in this mire, we should look forward to look beyond it and to find selective measures for it. It is said that poverty is man-made by action and non-action. Poverty can be eliminated. Well, India too has its shares of problems and obstacles, constraints and difficulties. But by working in different fields, we can together find solutions. It is believed that the strength of a nation is not determined by the challenges it faces, but by its response to these challenges. At last, I would like to say that, unfortunately, many among us have lost their life battling the pandemic. But there were very few people, that is our frontline workers, who have been scripting inspiring stories of courage and selfless service. When cities and roads were quiet and everything was deserted, they worked tirelessly to ensure that the people are not deprived of healthcare facilities, relief, transport facilities, communication, food, grocery, medicine, and other essentials. Corona warriors deserve a high praise. Thanks to all the Corona warriors. They work beyond their call of duty to save our lives and livelihood. Let's pledge today to safeguard the sovereignty of our nation and to respect and uphold the values enshrined in the Constitution. Let our Constitution be the source of our inspiration and to mold our lives to be a good, responsible citizen of our country. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Let's see a small skit on Corona warriors.
कोरोना से हमारा भारत देश भी बच न सका। 31 जनवरी 2020 वो दिन जब भारत में पहला कोविड-19 का मरीज एक प्रवासी रूप में प्रवेश हुआ और यह महामारी अन्य देशों की तरह हमारे देश में भी फैलने योद्धाओं जैसे वैद्यकीय विभाग, शासकीय विभाग, साफ सफाई विभाग आदि ने अपना पूरा योगदान दिया। वे नियमित
महामारी से बचने को तुम घर में ही महफूज रहे। कुछ ने जान की बाजी
आए हुए अतिथिगण और प्यारे प्यारे बच्चों, आप सभी के बीच एक बेहतरीन नाटक वियानी जुबली स्कूल के टीचर्स के द्वारा अभी यहाँ पर प्रस्तुत किया गया, जिसका मुख्य उद्देश्य यह था कि जब भारत देश बंद पड़ा हुआ था तब हमारे कोरोना योद्धाओं ने अपनी अहम भूमिका निभाई थी और निभा रहे हैं। दोस्तों, आपको बताता चलूँ कि यही वो लोग हैं जिन्होंने डॉक्टर्स के रूप में, नर्स के रूप में, पुलिस के रूप में, सफाई कर्मचारी के रूप में अपनी सेवा इस देश को दी, समाज को दी, गांव, गली, मोहल्लों को दी थी। इनकी यह सेवा शायद मैं अपने शब्दों में बयान ना कर पाऊँ, पर एक बात बताता चलूँ कि जब हमारे डॉक्टर्स, नर्स, पुलिस कर्मचारी और सफाई कर्मचारी कोरोना महामारी के दौरान घर जाते, तब उनके प्यारे प्यारे बच्चे उनसे दूर रहते। घर के बाहर ही उन्हें गर्म पानी, सैनिटाइज़र दे दिया जाता था। वह पहले घर के बाहर ही अपने हाथ पांव धोते, फिर घर में प्रवेश करते और अपने प्यारे प्यारे बच्चों से कहते कि बेटा, आप मेरे पास मत आना, नहीं तो कोरोना हो सकता है। यह एक बहुत ही मुश्किल भरी घड़ी थी हमारे कोरोना योद्धाओं के लिए, जब उन्होंने अपने बच्चों से, परिवार से कई कई दिनों तक दूरी बनाए रखी। जब भी कोरोना योद्धा अपने घर से निकलते तो अपने सर पर कफन बांधकर निकलते। इन्हें अपनी जान की परवाह तो नहीं होती, पर दूसरों की परवाह यह बखूबी करते। इसी कोरोना योद्धाओं को देखते हुए मुझे दो पंक्ति याद आती है। वो पंक्ति कुछ इस प्रकार से है कि अब न बहे अब खून किसी का, अब न कहीं पर दंगा हो, अब न कहीं पर दंगा हो, अब न बहे अब खून किसी का, अब न कहीं पर दंगा हो, अब न कहीं पर दंगा हो। एक हाथ में आबे ज़मज़म, एक हाथ में गंगा हो, एक हाथ में गंगा हो। हम सब की तो एक है ख्वाहिश, हम सब की तो एक है ख्वाहिश, मेरा कफन तिरंगा हो, मेरा कफन तिरंगा हो। जी हाँ दोस्तों, हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई फूलों का गुलदान, हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई फूलों का गुलदान, दुनिया भर में सबसे अलग हो इस माटी की पहचान, और अमेरिका भी तकता रहे और हैरत में जापान। ऐसा हिंदुस्तान बनाओ, ऐसा हिंदुस्तान, ऐसा हिंदुस्तान बनाओ, ऐसा हिंदुस्तान। ऐसे ही हमारे हिंदुस्तान के प्यारे प्यारे दोस्त यहाँ पर बैठे हुए हैं, हमारे अतिथिगण यहाँ पर बैठे हुए हैं, और हमारे टीचर्स ने इतना बेहतरीन यहाँ पर प्रोग्राम किया, और हमारे कोरोना वॉरियर्स भी यहाँ पर आए हुए हैं, जिनको हम यहाँ पर सम्मानित करने वाले हैं। एक बार जोरदार ताली होनी चाहिए इन कोरोना योद्धाओं के लिए। शुक्रिया।
But these people were continuously doing their duties, exposed to the dangerous virus. Salute these great people. It's my pleasure to invite Miss Santoshi Kandari to please come and receive the memento. Thank you, ma'am. The health and sanitary workers. Without them, none of us could have come out of this pandemic. As all the garbage and waste was cleaned by these people without thinking about their health, still caring and taking care of their health and the society. A honorable salute to these great people. It is our pleasure to have them here, and I would like to welcome our sanitary worker, Mr. Sohan Narkare. And thank you
all the dignitaries present here. This is the time we acknowledge the participation and gaining their position of our children. They have been trying hard to reach to this position. The year 2020 was a pandemic year. Everything was locked down. There were no physical schools, but still schools were conducting online classes. We also started our online classes, and at the same time we have conducted some programs also, so that we can motivate our children in this pandemic. We have organized literary and cultural competitions. Today, with proficiency awards, we are going to felicitate those children also who have participated in this competition and won the competition. May I now request our guest of honor, Right Reverend Bishop Dr. Ephraim Narikulam, to please come and acknowledge their achievements by presenting them the award. Fancy dress competition first prize, Daksh Gohane from class KG1 Rose. Daksh Gohane. Svikruti Bhagwat, KG1 Jasmine. Anaya Bazare, KG1 Jasmine. I request everyone to applaud them with full enthusiasm. Next class, KG2 Rose. Second prize, Labhesh Mundada, KG2 Rose, Labhesh Mundada. Lakshmi Srivati, standard. Second prize, Manimala Sharma. Sajid Hussain and Vishnu Kotla Mahadeva Sarma. Next competition was drawing competition. First prize, Yash Umadwar, standard first Jasmine. Yash Umadwar, standard first Jasmine. Second prize, Ishita Manohar, first Jasmine. Drawing competition, first prize, Tanishq Uke, standard second Jasmine. Second prize, Lakshya Khandare, second Rose, standard second Rose. Third prize, Nimish Khartad, standard second Jasmine. Next class, standard third. First prize, Anuj Khartad, standard third Rose. Second prize, Bhavika Manusmare, standard third Jasmine. Third prize, Govind Sharma, standard third Rose. Now literary competition with speech competition. First prize, Chitrakshi Somvanshi, standard 4. Second prize, Brinda Madikutta, standard 4. Arma Nagapure and Bhargavi Rao. First prize, Hassan Dhakwala, standard 5th. Second prize, Charvak Mahadole, standard 5th. Applause. Third prize, Vishnu Botla Mahadeva Sharma, Standard 5th. First prize Almina Ali, Standard 6th. Next class, Standard 7, first prize Farsh Chikate. Next class, Standard 8, first prize Vishnu Botla Lakshmi Srivalli. Second prize John C. Wilson Kurusingal, Standard 8. Third prize Huma Sheikh, Standard 8. Congratulations to all of you and thank you Bishop Ji for doing the honor. Arush Sushil Pandey. Anaya Bazare. I request everyone to applaud them with full enthusiasm. Third rank holder, Raunak Pimpalkar. Raunak Pimpalkar. Jiansha Naranjan. Second rank holder, Daniel Khan and Tilak Ekankar. them a big applaud. Second rank holder Lavanya Upre. Lavanya Upre. Third rank holder Mansi. Parents, please give them a big applause. Second rank holder Vishnupriya Sadula. Vishnupriya Sadula. Third rank holder Alvina Ali. Alvina Ali. Next class standard 6. First rank holder Angel Khartad. Angel Khartad. Second rank holder Mohit Meshram. Mohit Meshram. Second rank holder Sai Pranit Jodapallivar. Sai Pranit Jodapallivar. Third rank holder Prashasti Dore.
Principal Father Dinesh, Manager Father Matthew, PTA President Mr. Kishore, my dear students, teachers, parents and well-wishers. In the first place, I wish you all happy Republic Day and avail the opportunity to thank and appreciate and congratulate and offer my prayers to Dharmendra Joshi, Dr. Ritesh Pimpal Shade, Ms. Santoshi Kardare and Mr. Sohan. They represent the thousands and lakhs of coronavirus warriors in our country and in the world who fought against this great pandemic to save us from the clutches of death and sickness. My hearty congratulations and wishes to them, and let us join them to fight against this pandemic, cooperating with the government and health officials to get rid of this menace from the world and from our country. To convey a message for the day, yesterday, our Honorable President of India, as he was addressing the nation, he said, the farmers are the backbone of our country. 70% of our people in India are working in the agrarian sector. Our economy is based and directed by the agrarian sector. And we know the backbone is in trouble now. The farmers are on strike and are almost completing 2 months. On this auspicious occasion of the Republic Day, it is our duty to offer our assistance and prayers to the farmers to find an amicable settlement in this issue, so that they continue to be our backbone of our country and serve the country to go ahead with more prosperity, fraternity, justice, peace, and unity. As we know, India is great. India is great for 3 reasons. First, India is a great democratic republic. The greatest democracy in the world is in our country. Let us do our best to foster this democracy, to develop and to grow. The second reason is India great because there is diversity of religions, language, customs and traditions. And yet, the third reason, there is unity and harmony. The Republic Day once again reminds us to offer our help to keep this unity and diversity and the democracy of our country. We need to respect one another, love one another, and help one another to keep this diversity and the unity of our country. May this Republic Day celebration once again inspire us to keep the unity of our country, diversity of our country, and the democracy of our country. I wish all the best. Once again, I wish you a happy Republic Day. God bless you. Jai Christ, Jai Bharat.
Let's get motivated and have a dip in the ocean of patriotism through this dance.
जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। छंद से आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं, वो चिट्ठी आती है तो पूछ जाते हैं कि घर कब आओगे, कि घर कब आओगे, लिखो कब आओगे, कि तुम दिन ये घर सलाम इंडिया, झुके तेरे आगे सर, तेरी गोद मेरा घर है, तुझे सलाम इंडिया।
भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे प्यारा गुलिस्तां हमारा है। भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे प्यारा गुलिस्तां हमारा है।
मेरे देश की धरती, मेरे देश की धरती सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती, मेरे देश की धरती, मेरे देश की धरती।
देश मेरे तेरी जान है तुम, देश मेरे तेरी जान है तुम, देश मेरे तेरी शान है तुम, देश मेरे तेरी शान है तुम। ए वतन हमको तेरी कसम, तेरी राहों में जान तक आ जाएगी, पूरी कोशिश है तेरे कदमों में हम, बेटे अपने सरों की चढ़ा जाएगी। ए वतन
It a great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this memorable occasion. Let me first of all start by giving glory to the Almighty God for making today's occasion a resounding success, and once again a very happy Republic Day. First and foremost, I thank our special guest, Reverend Bishop Mar Ephraim Nerikulam, who despite of his busy schedule has found time to grace this occasion. His valuable presence made this program a wholesome. Thank you, Bishop Ji. My heartfelt thanks to all the Corona warriors who have been constantly assisting in the fight against the coronavirus. I want to thank you for saving the people by working tirelessly. Though the time have been difficult, your dedication towards your work did not shake a bit. It's our duty to appreciate our Corona warriors, API Mr. Dharmendra Joshi, Dr. Ritesh Pimpar Shinde, Ms. Santoshi Khandare, and Mr. Sohan Narwal. Congratulations and thank you for your selfless work. Here I would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to Reverend Father Matthew, our manager. Your eminent presence has indeed made this event a memorable one, and we unitedly thank you for your concern. I would like to thank our principal, Reverend Dinesh Mate, for his stewardship support, vision and commitment. I thank our vice principal, Reverend Sister Litty, for her unstinted support and guidance. I thank our PTA President, Mr. Kishore Fuljenis sir, for your support, cooperation, suggestion. Your present manifest, you love this school. Parents who are here and those who are not present here, but your love, support and encouragement is always with us. Thank you, dear parents. Last but not the least, I thank you all my friends. Finally, I leave with this inspiring quote by Martin Luther King: an individual has not started living until he rises above the confines